Go, Matt.
We doing a remote control, everybody, okay?
There was only have one TV.
You know what, girl? I seen it work all day for real. I'm tired and I'm ready to watch TV, so let's turn the TV on. We gonna watch soap operas on the rest of the, you know what I'm saying, girl? Hey, there you go. Soap opera.
Oh, Bobby, I'll be so glad.
Oh my gosh, you are kidding!
It's not what it looks like.
You're cheating on me with this?
No.
You have lost your mind.
We need to change this. I just want to watch this.
I don't want to watch one of those girls.
I want to watch this.
I want to watch this.
Turn the TV on.
Good evening. Election 2008 coverage. Campaign for the White House.
We all thought Hillary Clinton and Obama would never consider running together, but oh no, it has happened.
They have been caught in Pennsylvania together. Make it happen.
Watch the kids show, you know what I'm saying?
Today's weather in Jackson, we have tornadoes.
I thought she was
Hattiesburg looking rainy. And in Vicksburg, we have sunshine.
Anyway, I don't want to watch this. I want to watch the kids show. I'm telling you what I want to watch. Dang. Anyway, I want to watch the kids show. The kids show?
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it
You know what? I'm going to go back to my soap opera, see what Chrissy got me doing. She probably using all those snap on board. Girl, let's turn on that part.
I mean, I just can't be with you anymore if you're going to cheat on me with him. I mean, this isn't going to work.
You told me your wife
But
was
you
going
know
in
what?
for Sunday.
Pretty good. Enrique!
Thank you for returning back. Now we're here live with Brett Favre.
I've decided after 17 years.
I want to cry.
Okay, breaking news. Breaking news. We have had a shooting, and now we have live footage. Sorry, Brett Favre.
Young students, we're gathered here today to recognize you as outstanding individuals.